The 2008 financial crisis, one of the most catastrophic events in global financial history. Banks failed, millions lost their homes, and the world's economy nearly collapsed. Could something like this happen again? Let's take a deep dive. In 2008, the world's financial system was shaken to its core. It all started with the subprime mortgage market. Banks were lending money to people who couldn't afford to repay it. These high-risk loans were bundled into securities, sold to investors, and spread across the globe. When home prices fell, people couldn't pay their mortgages, and the whole system began to unravel. The collapse of Lehman Brothers triggered a panic, and massive institutions like AIG, Bear Stearns, and Bank of America were caught in the fallout. The global stock market lost trillions of dollars in value, and millions of people faced unemployment and foreclosure. In the aftermath, governments stepped in with massive bailouts, and the Federal Reserve slashed interest rates to stabilize the economy. Laws like the Dodd-Frank Act were enacted to regulate financial institutions and prevent a repeat of the crisis. Now, over a decade later, some argue that the lessons of 2008 have been learned. Financial institutions are subject to stricter regulations, and the risk of another housing bubble seems lower. But could a crisis like that happen again? Many say the answer is yes. We're seeing similar patterns in risky lending, high levels of debt, and even concerns about overinflated asset prices like real estate and stocks. The financial system is much more complex today. While regulations are tighter, the interconnectedness of global markets and rising corporate debt could pose new risks. Could a new type of financial crisis emerge, this time caused by tech companies, cryptocurrency, or even geopolitical tensions? The next crash may not look the same, but the possibility remains. The 2008 crash taught us how fragile the financial system can be, but could it happen again? Are we on the brink of another major financial collapse, or is the system stronger than ever? Share your thoughts in the comments and make sure to follow for more updates on the markets.